weekend. We've had some severe thunderstorms already on Saturday and yesterday, and now we've got more in the forecast.
Active weather, but tomorrow's threat is a little bit elevated.
Yes, it's a little bit different in that we now do have the threat for a few isolated tornadoes too. So we have deemed Tuesday a first warning alert day because of the threat of some isolated tornadoes, damaging straight line winds, and with a very wet ground, it wouldn't take much to bring down some trees and power lines, and also the threat for some large hail. So the main timing of this looks to be starting Tuesday late in the afternoon, 4 o'clock for our northwestern counties, and I think that would be at the earliest. For most of us, this will likely come in after dark, so during the evening hours and into the nighttime and overnight period too. Remember, an alert day just means that the weather looks to be a bit more dangerous and widespread too. So we think that there could be several areas that may be impacted by the threat and by some of these severe storms. And this is the latest Storm Prediction Center outlook. We've got that enhanced risk up here across northwest Alabama, where it looks like at least the threat for a few tornadoes will be a bit more favorable for northwest Alabama. As you get closer to the 5920 corridor, we're looking at a level 2 out of 5. What about the timing for tomorrow? We don't think any earlier than 4 o'clock. And that's really for if we can get some thunderstorms to develop out ahead of the main line, as the line of severe storms probably won't reach northwest Alabama for places like Hackleburg, Haleyville, and Hamilton until about 7 or 8 o'clock. And then that line will continue to shift to south and east with time between 6 and 1. Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Gadsden, Anniston, and then continue to travel south and east between about 9 and 2 a.m. in the morning. And meteorologist Briley Brown can talk a little bit more about the hazards and of course walk us through more of the timing too.
So you should probably be on guard starting tomorrow afternoon after lunchtime, especially if you live in northwest Alabama. And as Steph was saying, those storms are going to drift south heading into the evening hours and then overnight. Much of Tuesday is going to be warm and humid, gusty winds, and mainly dry. And then late in the afternoon, those storms begin to dive in from the north and west, and they're going to be very heavy tomorrow afternoon. We're going to watch for the threat of wind and hail with these as they are moving south. On the Futurecast, you can see these structures that are a little bit more isolated and supercellular, and that's where we will watch for the threat of tornadoes early in the day and the afternoon, especially across northwest Alabama. With time, they kind of congeal into a line, and when we're looking at a line, that brings more of a damaging wind threat, but still we can have some embedded tornadoes along the leading edge, and then very strong wind gusts too. That's something with this system. As we look at the mechanics in place and stuff, it looks like we're going to have a lot of wind energy that could bring some really strong winds down to the surface. These push on south through midnight, and then the severe threat will decrease with time. But tomorrow night, you've got to have a way to receive warnings in the case they are needed. Very warm and humid today, starting with some clouds this morning. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds through the afternoon. High temperatures reaching the upper 80s. And then after this front passes with the alert or the severe storms tomorrow, you've got cooler and drier weather toward the latter half of the week. Back to you.
All right, thanks so much.